yes. It's here, guys. I got my brand new Talaria Sting R. On this video, I'm gonna unbox it, I'm gonna build it, and I'm gonna test ride it. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna switch to my GoPro, and you guys can see how I build it and how I test ride it. Let's go.
We must have all the goodies in here. Let's see. Yes, sir. This looks like some padding. I don't know what this is for. We got keys. This for the handlebars. Our little Talaria tools. Wow, oil. Our first oil change. And of course our pegs. We also got some pictures, the manual, and some zip ties. Let's put it over here.
Okay, I'm guessing this is just heavy. Oof. Power up, I don't want it. Okay, so what's next? It's pretty much already built. I guess I gotta put the wheel, and I gotta see what's. Oh, that's probably the charger. Yeah, that's the charger. Okay, let's check out this. This must be the splash guard. Yeah, I think it's the splash guard. Is it? Yes, it is.
Yes. Sorry. There we go. Beautiful.
That wheel, which I dropped. I dropped this wheel, so I hope it's okay. Let's check it out. It looks okay.
How am I supposed to open this? Okay, Talaria, I don't know how I'm supposed to open this, so I'm just gonna cut it open. So open cut the tire. Because this is a really sharp knife. There we go. Let's open it.
Okay, so
you loosen up this one, not too much, just a little bit, make sure they loosen up. This one, and this one, this one, and there. Just a little bit off. No, this one, all we gotta do is put it in here, and wait, am I missing something? Oh yeah, you put this on. A little bit, just a little bit, just down, and down, just like that, you see, that's working, yes, okay, got it. A little bit more, just a little bit, and that's all. Okay, got it off, maybe put this one in here.
That's how you get this out. Be careful not to scratch it. It's not damaged. Just make sure it's good. Oh God. rid of this one. Just like that. Yep, that's pretty easy. Just gotta push it here. That will come off. Apparently I can build it with that little piece right there. I need to lift the bike up to put on the front wheel. So let's try that out. Whoa. Okay guys, I did manage to put it on. There it is. That's a lot higher. Now this is gonna give me room to put on the front tire. Which I should be able, yeah. There you go. So just gotta pull this one out. Whatever, let's try that again. So now we just gotta tie these little screws back on. That should be good. We got our front tire installed. Yes sir, let's go. So let's get rid of this plastic. There is what I'm gonna be doing next. Yeah, right now I'm gonna get the bike off. Okay guys, so it's done. Here is my brand new Talaria Sting R. Check it out. So here it is. Here it is. This is my brand new Talaria Sting R. Already built it. It's finally done. All I had to do off camera is put on the stickers, which is pretty easy. Just stick them on. Everything else was on the video. So yeah, guys, let's go ahead and test ride it. This is gonna be my first time riding an electric bike. I've never had an electric bike. Okay, so for what I understand, it says wait, I gotta press start button. Okay, so we're in eco right now. I do have this speedometer right here. But so yeah, let's see how fast can this go. And again, guys, this is my first time riding an electric motorcycle or electric bike or whatever. It feels weird not having, you know, the clutch, because I'm used to gas bikes. So, you know, having to, oh man, oh, this feels so weird. Let me just there we go. Oh shit, so the light is on. I couldn't find a way to turn that off. Let me just, I'm just gonna push that down. So we're in eco. Man, this feels so weird, but it feels good. We're in eco right now. Yeah, I don't know, guys. This is so weird. I don't have a clutch. Man, not having a clutch, I don't know. It feels weird, but okay. I mean, I have seen this all over YouTube and everywhere, and I don't know, it's just popping off, and I was like, man, these things look like they're so much fun. So I figure, you know what, I'm gonna get one. Oh, so right now I'm on eco, and I think 25 miles per hour, that's like top speed. Yeah, because I'm full throttle and it only takes me up to 25. So I guess I'll switch this to sport mode. I also saw that you can cut a wire and it will unlock the top speed, so you can take this up to 60 miles per hour. I feel like I have to stop to change it to sport mode. Let's see. So it says wait, can I switch it? No. Okay, so that's sport mode. You can see, guys, there it says sport, already sport. So we should be in sport mode right now. Let's see. Whoa. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, so this is kilometers an hour. I think I should be able to switch that to miles per hour. So yeah, I was wrong. It's not 25 miles per hour. It was 25 kilometers per hour on eco. Right now I'll see how fast we can go on sport mode. Oh my god, I don't know how to jump this thing, but I'm gonna learn. Trust me, guys, I'm gonna learn. So stick around, because oh my god, I'm about to do some fun things with this. Oh shit, man, I don't know. Really there. Let's see. I'm probably gonna do a top speed over here on this road. I think this is a clear road over here. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Top speed. Let's see. So top speed, it's around 27 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour, I'll say. It's not crazy fast. I mean, I don't know if I can take it on the road. Probably if I cut that wire, I might be able to. But right now, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take it on the road. Can I go up here? I don't know if I'm able to. Oh wait, that's gonna get me a flat tire. This is probably not the place to ride this around. I know that this is like an electric dirt bike to use around the dirt, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that right now because I'm gonna get a flat over there. There's a nice little pad over here. I don't know if I can go this way. I don't think there's anyone here. Let's try it out. Man, it feels so good over here. Okay. Dead end. My battery life is at 98% right now. I think I'm gonna go try, the city bike lane to see if I haven't looked that up. I don't know if I can get pulled over for using this on like the sidewalk or bike lane. But I mean, we gotta try it, right? Let's just go and try it. Yeah, let's just see what happens. Woo! Man, this is crazy. Guys, I'm telling you, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy, bro. I mean, next videos I'm gonna be filming with this, I don't know, they're probably gonna be crazy. I want to learn how to wheelie. I want to learn how to jump this, like I don't know how to jump a bike. I've never tried that, but it just feels possible with this. Even though I don't know how to, it just feels like I want to do it, I don't know, it feels so good. That throttle though, oh my god. Look guys, I'm barely even gonna twist it. I don't know if you can hear the motor, but I'm right there. It's catching. That's all the twist I need to give it, and it's catching. I'm actually rolling probably at 1 mile per hour, but I'm rolling. But that's crazy. The throttle response on this is crazy. I mean, I'm not used to the dual brake, I'm used to my clutch and my foot brake, but I don't have it right now, so I mean, I gotta get used to it. It's really worth it. So if you guys, man, I gotta say it, if you guys are debating or are trying to get one and you don't know if it's the right move, trust me guys, it is the right move. You should totally get this bike. I don't know if I'm gonna be cutting that wire and unlocking the bike. I don't know yet. I might do it. It's just that right now I don't think it's the right move. That's just me, but who knows? I mean, I might do it, right? I don't know if that's gonna make me help me, I don't know, pop a wheelie or something like that. Yeah, I don't know, but we'll see. Yeah, because right now it's just cutting right there, like even though I'm full throttle on it right now, it feels like it can give more power, but it feels restricted. It feels like, you know what, this is as much power as I can give you. That's what the bike is telling me. I'm not gonna give you any more power. I'm gonna go over here. Oh, that could have ended really bad. Oops. There we go. But yeah, I mean, we'll see. So guys, right now about to go into the bike lane. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but we'll see. I don't know if I should be able to go over here. Let's go on the bike lane. Why not? Right? I mean, if they stop me, at least I'm gonna know what happens. This looks like a motorcycle, like a dirt bike. That's what it looks like. So I'm probably gonna get yelled at if I see what happens. The only thing that I'm actually scared of is the fact that I don't know how long will my battery last. I don't know how long will it last. So I'm crossing my fingers. I'm hoping it will give me a good range, because yeah, it's pretty far from my house over here. Oh shit. Oh, I haven't seen any cops over here. Man, I like this parking spot. I'm gonna try to do a wheelie. I don't know how to do a wheelie. I've seen some videos on doing it, but I don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna try and do it. I'm gonna try to do one real quick. Guys, if you guys know how to wheelie, or please don't roast me on the comments. If anyone's watching this, don't roast me on the comments. I don't know how to do a wheelie, but I'm gonna try, right? I just have to. Let's see. So I'm thinking I should go like this, brake, and then oh fuck, I think it's not like taking the wheel off. No. I'm gonna break it, or I'm gonna break myself. I did manage to come all the way over here, so I'm gonna head back again on the bike lane. And I mean, I'll see if they stop me, or if I want to see a cop. That's what I want to do. I want to see a cop and see if they tell me anything. That's my goal today. But I'm not gonna ride that much. Right now I'm at 93%, man. So this does have some long range. I actually don't remember how's the range on this. I didn't look that up. But yeah, I mean, so far it does have some range. Turn right here. Just hoping there's no one over here. I'll say this is a success, guys. I'm already back, and I'm at 92% battery life. So yeah, I'll definitely take this as a success. Shadoo, 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 shadoo. Well, thank you guys for watching. That's gonna do it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. That's gonna do it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, I guess. Thank you guys. This is gonna do it for this one. I'll see you guys later. Peace.